Oh, there's a fish. Oh, he came off. Darn it. Oh, there's a nice fish. All right, we got him. Come on. Oh, and he took my spinner. Ah, no. Oh, got one. Ah, I shook it off. Oh, that was a big rainbow. Golly. Oh, there's a fish. Come on, don't get wrapped around the reeds. Nope. Oh, he looks like I may have fouled it. There's one. Oh, he came off. Oh, whoa! Thank goodness. Even though that fish won, I think he lost. Oh, he went after the egg. Oh, that was a big brookie. Holy cow. He got off. That was a big brookie. Oh man, daggone. Caught a fish. What'd you get? Oh, a little perch. Wow, Lauren got a perch. A fat little perch. Look at Lauren. You see the perch? Look at that perch. You want to touch it? Just watch out, he's got spikes. Oh, do you want to touch it? Yeah. All right, let's put him back.
Put him back.
Put him back. All right. JP, watch your bobber, bud. Reel. Reel, reel, reel. Yank. Yank hard. Yank hard. You get him? You got him. JP, you got a nice trout. Reel him in. Reel him in good. Reel hard. Oh, I'll get my net. I get my net. Bring him right here. Keep reeling hard. Oh. Oh, he just came off. Oh, that was awesome. He was huge. That was awesome, JP. Was he fighting hard?
Yeah.
I almost had him in the net too. He was a big trout. All right, this time you'll get him, I promise. Okay? Next fish. You know how many trout I hooked today that I couldn't get into all the way ashore? A bunch. I had the same thing happen to me. And so sometimes it's frustrating, but still, it's fun, isn't it? Oh, Lauren's got one again. Oh, Lauren. Whoa, that's a big fish. That's a crappie. No, that's a little rock bass. Lauren, you got a rock bass. No, look it. You got a little rock bass. That's cool. That's a little rock bass. See? Oh, you got him, bud. Reel him in. Reel him in. He's on. He's definitely on. Hold on. There you go. Reel him in. Reel. Yeah, hold your rod. Hold your rod tight. All right, I'll get the net. Hold your rod. I don't know. We'll find out. Oh, he is a big one. Pull, pull, pull. Reel. Whoa, JP. Oh my goodness, JP. That's a bigger trout than Daddy catches. Look at him. He's huge. All right, well, South Dakota was a great experience. The kids had fun, I had fun. It was a great 3 days. Caught a whole lot of different kinds of fish, from perch to rock bass to rainbow trout and who knows what else. It was a great evening, great time fishing, and I'd highly recommend coming here if you get a chance. I appreciate you watching. Hit that like button if you can. Drop a comment below if you want to. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do that. And until next time, I will catch you later.